In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on files in your project workspace. Whether you're working on a team project or collaborating remotely, leaving comments on shared files is a great way to streamline communication, provide feedback, and ensure everyone stays on the same page. First, you'll want to navigate to your project. Once you're there, look for the tab that says Docs and Files, or it may simply say Files depending on your interface. This is typically found in the main navigation area, and it's the hub where all your shared project documents are organized. After you've located the Docs and Files tab, click on it to enter the section where all uploaded files are stored. Here, you should see a list of files related to your project. Your task now is to find the specific file you wish to comment on. If you have a lot of files, you might need to scroll or use a search function to locate the exact one you need. Once you've found the desired file, click on it to open it. Depending on the platform version you're using, you should now see a button or a link nearby that allows you to add comments. It might be labeled as Comment, Discuss, or something similar. In some older versions of platforms like Basecamp, this might specifically be a Discuss button. Training manuals may also refer to this process, stating that uploaded documents can be commented on by all participants, which is important as it fosters team collaboration and input. Now that you've identified the commenting feature, you can begin typing your comment. When writing your note, feel free to address specific team members by using a mention feature, such as the username format if your system supports it. This can be especially useful if you want to direct questions or feedback to particular individuals. Remember, this is your opportunity to ask questions, give feedback, provide insights, or discuss any potential changes or improvements. Once your comment is complete, go ahead and submit it. After you submit, you'll notice that the file is now accompanied by its own discussion thread. This is a continuous list of comments that allows you and your team members to engage in an ongoing dialogue. Moreover, other team members who have access can not only view the file, but also see the entire comment thread. They can join the conversation by replying to existing comments, or they could even attach their own supporting documents if additional context or data is needed for the discussion. And there you have it. Commenting on files is a straightforward yet powerful feature that enhances team collaboration and ensures that everyone can contribute, share insights, and discuss matters directly related to the project files. This method of communication can significantly improve project efficiency and team dynamics. Thank you for watching, and happy commenting.